Agreement. The two companies signed an agreement to collaborate on the new project. Arise. If any issues arise during the project, please report them immediately. Associate. Many employees associate the new policy with increased productivity. Assure. We assure our clients that their data is secure. Effective. The new policy will be effective immediately. Accuse. The employee was accused of leaking confidential information. Accustomed. Employees are accustomed to using the new software for daily tasks. Advance. The supplier requested an advance before shipping the goods. Aim. Our company aims to increase market share by 20% this year. Traction. The city is investing in a new tourist attraction to boost local economy. Baggage. Please make sure your baggage is properly tagged before checking in. Behalf. The manager signed the contract on behalf of the company. Caution. Please exercise caution when handling confidential documents. Comparison. The comparison with last year's sales figures shows a 10% increase. Compliment. The manager paid a compliment to the team for their hard work. Consent. The manager cannot proceed without the client's consent. Construction. The construction of the new office building will be completed by next year. Contend. The manager had to contend with budget cuts while planning the project. Declare. You must declare all goods at customs when entering the country. Decrease. The company plans to decrease its expenses by 10% next year. Delivery. The delivery of the package is scheduled for tomorrow. Depart. The flight will depart from Gate 12 at 3 p.m. Device. The company invested in new devices to improve production efficiency. Disaster. The company had a disaster recovery plan in place to handle unexpected events. Disclose. The company must disclose all relevant financial information to its investors. Disperse. The manager decided to disperse the crowd after the event was over. Distribute. The company plans to distribute the new products nationwide next month. Durable. Our company specializes in producing durable goods that last for years. Duration. The duration of the contract is 2 years. Duty. Every employee has a duty to complete their tasks on time. Elaborate. The team presented an elaborate plan for the new marketing strategy. Emergency. In case of an emergency, please follow the evacuation plan. Emission. The company is working to reduce its carbon emissions by 20% over the next 5 years. Ensure. We need to ensure that all documents are submitted on time. Entry. The entry to the conference requires a badge. Equipment. The company invested in new office equipment to improve productivity. Examine. The manager will examine the report closely before making a decision. Financial. The financial report showed a significant increase in revenue. Flavor. The new product has a unique flavor that appeals to customers. Generate. The company aims to generate revenue through new marketing strategies. Halt. The project will come to a halt if we do not receive funding. Implement. The company decided to implement a new marketing strategy to increase sales. Initially. The project was initially planned to start in March, but it was delayed. Launch. The company plans to launch its new smartphone next month. Numerous. The company offers numerous options for employees to choose from. Occasionally. We occasionally review our policies to ensure they are up to date. Occur. Delays often occur during the implementation phase of a project. Oversee. The manager will oversee the project to ensure it stays on schedule. Praise. The manager gave praise to the team for their excellent performance. Predict. We need to predict the outcome of the market trends for next quarter. Proceed. We will proceed with the project after receiving approval. Promising. The company is looking for a promising candidate to lead the new project. Promote. The company decided to promote her to the position of manager. Properly. Please ensure that all equipment is functioning properly before the meeting starts. Proposal. The manager asked for a proposal to improve the marketing strategy. Quota. The sales team must meet their monthly sales quota to receive a bonus. Reception. Please leave your application at the reception desk. Refund. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can request a refund. Remedy. The company implemented a new remedy to improve employee productivity. Representative. The sales representative will visit your office tomorrow to discuss the new product line. Responsibility. Employees must take responsibility for their tasks to ensure project success. Restore. The manager decided to restore order in the office after the meeting. Safety. The company implemented new safety measures to protect employees. Settle. We need to settle the contract details before the meeting. Simultaneously. The new software allows multiple users to edit the document simultaneously. Supply. The company needs to improve its supply chain to meet customer demands. Unique. This is a unique opportunity to expand our market share. Unprecedented. The company experienced unprecedented growth in the last quarter. Uphold. The company aims to uphold high standards of quality in its products. Urban. The company is expanding its operations into urban areas to reach more customers. Variety. Our company offers a wide variety of services to meet client needs. Absent. The project was delayed due to the absence of key personnel. Abundance. The company reported an abundance of resources for the upcoming project. Accidentally. The intern accidentally deleted the important files from the server. Accomplish. Our team worked hard to accomplish the project on time. Accountant. The accountant prepared the financial statements for the annual audit. Accurate. The report contains accurate data that is crucial for decision-making. Accurately. The report must be completed accurately to ensure all data is correct. Knowledge. Please acknowledge receipt of the invoice by email. Active. Your membership will remain active until the end of the year. Advocate. The manager advocated for better working conditions during the meeting. Allocate. The manager will allocate resources to the new project. Alternative. The company is considering an alternative to the current supplier to reduce costs. Amend. The company decided to amend the contract to include new terms. Application. Please submit your job application by the end of the week. Approximately. The report indicates that approximately 10% of the budget will be allocated for marketing. Arrange. We need to arrange a meeting with the new clients to discuss the contract. Aside. Please set aside some time for the meeting tomorrow. Assist. Our team will assist with the project management. Attain. Our team worked hard to attain the sales target for this quarter. Attend. She will attend the annual conference next week. Auction. The company will sell the artwork at an auction next week. Authority. The manager has the authority to approve the budget. Balance. The company promotes a healthy work-life balance for its employees. Beforehand. Please submit the report beforehand to ensure we have time to review it. Benefit. The company offers a comprehensive benefits package to all its employees. Bond. The company aims to create a strong bond with its clients. Calculate. We need to calculate the total costs for the project before proceeding. Capable. She's capable of handling multiple projects at once. Carelessly. The report was carelessly prepared, leading to several errors. Ceremony. The company held an opening ceremony for the new headquarters. Chronic. The company is facing a chronic problem with its supply chain, affecting overall productivity. Collapse. The sudden collapse of the company left many employees jobless. Colleague. I discussed the project with my colleague. Combination. The combination of innovative strategies and skilled employees led to the company's success. Comparable. The new software is comparable to the leading brand in terms of features and performance. Compromise. The two companies reached a compromise to settle their dispute. Concerned. The manager is concerned about the project's progress. Conduct. The manager will conduct a meeting to discuss the new project. Confirmation. We received confirmation of the contract from the client. Confront. The manager had to confront the issue of declining sales directly. Confusion. The sudden change in policy caused confusion among the employees. Constantly. We need to constantly monitor our sales performance to stay competitive. Consultation. The company scheduled a consultation with the legal team to discuss the new regulations. Continually. The company aims to continually improve its customer service. Corrosion. The company invested in new materials to improve corrosion resistance in their products. Courier. The company uses a courier to deliver important documents quickly. Craft. The team will craft a plan to improve sales. Custody. The documents are in custody of the legal department until the investigation is complete. Custom. The company offers a custom design service for its products. Customs. The shipment was delayed due to customs clearance procedures. Damage. The company will cover any damage to the equipment during the rental period. Damaged. The shipment was delayed due to damaged goods. Defective. The company recalled the defective product to ensure customer safety. Defend. The lawyer will defend the client's rights in court. Delicate. The negotiations require a delicate approach to ensure all parties are satisfied. Deliver. The company promises to deliver the package by tomorrow. Demonstrate. The manager will demonstrate how to use the new software during the training session. Deposit. Please make a security deposit to reserve your room. Details. Please review the details of the contract before signing. Determination. Her determination to lead the project to success was evident in every meeting. Diminish. The new policy will diminish the importance of traditional methods. Directly. Please contact me directly if you have any questions. Distinction. The company makes a clear distinction between its premium and standard products. Distribution. The company improved its distribution network to reach more customers. Diverse. Our company offers a diverse range of products to meet customer needs. Eager. The team is eager to start the new project. Emerge. The company emerged as a leader in the tech industry after the successful launch of its new product. Employment. The company announced new job employment opportunities for recent graduates. Enclose. Please enclose a copy of your resume with your application. Encounter. We encountered several challenges during the project implementation. Encouraging. The manager's feedback was encouraging, boosting the team's morale. Endure. Employees must endure pressure to meet tight deadlines. Entirely. The project was entirely completed ahead of schedule. Excess, the company faced financial issues due to excess inventory. Extraordinary, the team received an award for their extraordinary performance in the project. Firm, the firm announced a new partnership with a tech company. Flourish, the company continues to flourish in the competitive market. Flu, during flu season, many employees take sick leave. Forfeit, if you fail to submit the report on time, you may forfeit your right to participate in the project. Foster, the company aims to foster a relationship with its clients to improve customer satisfaction. Foundation, the foundation of our new marketing strategy is based on customer feedback. Friction, there was friction between the two departments over the budget allocation. Furnished, the apartment is fully furnished and ready for immediate occupancy. Grant, the manager granted the employee's request for a day off. Harsh, the manager's harsh criticism of the team's performance was unexpected. Hesitate, I hesitate to make a decision without more information. Hire, we need to hire an employee to improve our customer service. Impressive, the marketing team achieved impressive results in their latest campaign. Increasingly, in today's market, it is increasingly important to adapt to new technologies. Independent, the company hires independent contractors for various projects. Informative, the seminar was very informative and provided valuable insights into the industry. Informed, the manager made an informed decision based on the latest market research. Knowledgeable, our team is knowledgeable about the latest market trends. Lately we have seen an increase in sales due to the new marketing strategy. Loaded, the truck was loaded with supplies for the new office. Majority, the majority of the board members voted in favor of the merger. Marble, the lobby of the new office building features a stunning marble floor. Mayor, the mayor of the city announced a new public transportation plan. Monthly, the company releases a monthly report to update stakeholders on financial performance. Motivate, the manager's speech was designed to motivate the team to achieve their targets. Mounting, the company is facing mounting pressure to reduce costs. Nearby, the company is planning to open a new branch in a nearby city. To obtain permission for the project, we submitted a detailed proposal. Odor, the office had a bad odor that needed to be addressed immediately. Opening, the company announced a new job opening in the marketing department. Opportunity, the merger presents a unique opportunity for growth in the Asian market. Otherwise, please submit the report by Friday, otherwise your project may be delayed. Outstanding, the company has an outstanding invoice that needs to be paid by the end of the month. Overcome, our team was able to overcome obstacles to meet the project deadline. Participant, each participant must register before the conference begins. Permit, the manager will permit employees to work from home on Fridays. Personally, I am personally responsible for overseeing the project. Persuasive, the marketing team presented a persuasive argument to convince the clients to invest in the new project. Petition, employees can submit a petition to request changes in workplace policies. Politely, please make sure to politely request any additional resources you need for the project. Position, she applied for the marketing manager position at the company. Preferred, the company offers a preferred option for health insurance. Progress, the team is making progress on the project deadline. Prominent, the CEO is a prominent figure in the tech industry. Promotion, She received a promotion to manager after her excellent performance. Proportion. The budget allocation should be in proportion to the department's needs. Prosperity. The company's prosperity depends on its ability to innovate and adapt to market changes. Protective. The company implemented protective measures to ensure employee safety. Purify. The company installed a new system to purify water for its manufacturing process. Rapidly. The company's profits are rapidly increasing this quarter. Refuse. The manager had to refuse the request for a salary increase. Reliable. We need a reliable source for the market research data. Relieve. The new policy is designed to relieve employee stress during peak seasons. Renew. We need to renew the contract with our supplier before it expires. Repeatedly. The manager repeatedly asked the team to submit their reports on time. Require. The project will require approval from the management before proceeding. Requirement. The candidate must meet the requirement of having a bachelor's degree. Respond. Please respond to the client's email by the end of the day. Retail. The company increased its retail sales by 15% last quarter. Retain. The company aims to retain employees by offering competitive salaries. Reward. The company launched a reward program to motivate employees. Rise. The company expects a rise in sales next quarter. Severely. The company's reputation was severely damaged after the scandal. Shift. The manager updated the shift schedule to accommodate the new employees. Shortly. The meeting will start shortly, so please take your seats. Signal. The manager sent a clear signal that the project deadline is non-negotiable. Simplify. We need to simplify the process to increase efficiency. Sleek. The new smartphone has a sleek design that attracts many customers. Slightly. The company's profits increased slightly compared to last quarter. Slowdown. The company is preparing for an economic slowdown by cutting costs. Spacious. The company moved to a spacious office to accommodate more employees. Stance. The company took a strong stance on environmental issues. Stare. During the meeting, she couldn't help but stare at the presentation slides. Storage. The company needs additional storage for its inventory. Stretch. Please stretch out the deadline for the project submission. Struggle. Many companies struggle with maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Submit. Please submit the completed form by Friday. Summarize. Please summarize the report by the end of the day. Surplus. The company has a surplus of funds that can be invested in new projects. Surround. The new office will be built in a surrounding area that is easily accessible. Taste. The restaurant is known for its good taste in decor. Tend. Employees tend to perform better when they are motivated. Thrive. Our company continues to thrive in the competitive market. Throughout, the new policy will be implemented throughout the company. Tow. The company will tow a vehicle that is parked illegally. Transfer. The company will transfer funds to the supplier's account by the end of the day. Trim. We need to trim the budget for this project to save costs. Turnover. The company is concerned about the high employee turnover this year. Twist. The manager tried to twist the facts to make the project seem more successful. Unexpected. The unexpected results of the survey surprised the management team. Unusually, the sales figures were unusually high this quarter, exceeding all expectations. Utilize. We need to utilize our resources effectively to complete the project on time. Violence. The company has a zero-tolerance policy for workplace violence. Visible. The visible results of the marketing campaign were impressive. Voluntarily, the employee decided to leave the company voluntarily. Withstand. Our new product is designed to withstand pressure in extreme conditions. Normal. The company noticed abnormal fluctuations in their quarterly sales figures. Abroad. Our company plans to expand its operations abroad next year. Company. The manager will accompany the new employee on their first day. Accord. The team reached an accord on the project timeline. Accordance. All employees must act in accordance with company policies. Accounting. The accounting department is responsible for preparing financial statements. Accuracy. The accuracy of our sales forecast is crucial for planning. Acknowledgement. Please send an acknowledgement of receipt for the documents submitted. Administer. The manager will administer a project to improve efficiency. Administration. The administration office is responsible for managing employee records. Aid. The administrative aide organized the meeting schedule for the manager. Alike. The two reports look alike, making it difficult to distinguish between them. Ambition. Her career ambition is to become a successful manager. Answering. The answering machine recorded all the customer inquiries over the weekend. Apparel. The company specializes in fashion apparel for young adults. Parent. It is apparent that our sales have increased this quarter. Appetite. Our team has a strong appetite for innovation and new ideas. Approaching. The approaching deadline requires us to finalize the project soon. RN. The factory has a restricted RN for authorized personnel only. Argued. The manager argued that the new policy would improve productivity. Arranged. The meeting was arranged by the HR department. Aspect. One important aspect of the project is its sustainability. Assured. The manager assured the team that their efforts would lead to success. Attendant. The attendant service at the airport was very helpful during our check-in. Attended. She attended the annual conference to network with industry leaders. Attending. She is attending the annual conference to represent our company. Attire. Employees are required to wear business attire to the office. Awards. The company will receive awards for its innovative products at the annual ceremony. Backpack. Employees are encouraged to carry a backpack for their laptops during business trips. Banner. The advertising banner at the entrance attracted many customers. Banquet. The company organized a formal banquet to celebrate its anniversary. Basis. The decision was made on the basis of the latest sales data. Behaved. The employee behaved well during the meeting. Belonging. Employees often feel a sense of belonging when they are included in team activities. Beloved. Our beloved brand has been a favorite among customers for years. Bilingual. Our company is looking for a bilingual employee to manage international clients. Biography. The CEO's biography was published in the company's annual report. Boast. The manager likes to boast about the company's achievements during meetings. Bold. The manager made a bold decision to invest in new technology. Breath. During the meeting, she took a deep breath before presenting her ideas. Breed. The company specializes in breeding livestock for high-quality meat production. Brow. During the meeting, he furrowed his brow, indicating he was deep in thought. Buyer. The buyer negotiated a better price for the bulk order. Cancel. The client decided to cancel the contract due to unforeseen circumstances. Capture. The advertisement aims to capture the attention of potential customers. Carriage. The train has a new passenger carriage for travelers. Carries. The company carries a wide range of products to meet customer needs. Cautious. The manager was cautious about approving the new project due to budget constraints. Cease. The company decided to cease operations due to financial difficulties. Charm. The new marketing strategy aims to charm potential clients with personalized offers. Cherish. We cherish the relationships we build with our clients. Choosing. Choosing the right supplier is crucial for our company's success. Clay. The architect used clay to create a model of the new building. Clearer. The new policy provides a clear understanding of the company's goals. Collar. The company introduced a new dress code requiring employees to wear shirts with a collar. Collateral. The bank required collateral for the loan application. Command. The manager will give a command to the team to start the project. Commit. The company decided to commit significant resources to the new project. Companion. Many business travelers prefer to have a companion during their trips. Competent. We need a competent employee to handle the project efficiently. Competitor. The company conducted a competitor analysis to improve its marketing strategy. Components. The components of the new software are designed to improve efficiency. Compose. She was asked to compose a report on the project's progress. Composed. The report was composed by the marketing team to highlight the quarterly results. Composition. The composition of the board of directors was discussed in the meeting. Conceal. The manager decided to conceal information about the upcoming changes in the company. Concentration. The concentration of the market in a few large companies can lead to less competition. Concluded. The meeting was concluded after all the agenda items were discussed. Conclusion. After reviewing all the data, we reached a conclusion to expand the business. Condemn. The CEO was condemned for his unethical business practices. Employees should confess to any mistakes they make during the project. Confident. The manager expressed great confidence in the team's ability to meet the deadline. Confirming. The manager is confirming the details of the contract with the client. Conflict. The team faced a conflict over the project deadline, which required immediate resolution. Confusing. The new software update is confusing for many employees. Connection. To succeed in business, it is important to make a connection with your clients. Conquer. The company aims to conquer the Asian market by next year. Conquered. The company conquered the market with its innovative products. Consist. The committee consists of 10 members from various departments. Contemplate. Before making a final decision, we need to contemplate all possible outcomes. Continual. The company focuses on continual improvement to enhance product quality. Continuously. Our team is working continuously to improve customer satisfaction. Contrary. The report showed contrary evidence to the initial findings. Contribution. The company made a significant contribution to the local charity. Convention. The annual sales convention will be held at the downtown convention center. Cord. Please ensure the power cord is plugged in before starting the machine. Corn. The company increased its corn production to meet the rising demand. Cosmetic. The cosmetics industry is growing rapidly in many countries. Counted. The counted votes will be announced tomorrow. Courtyard. The hotel features a spacious courtyard where guests can relax and enjoy the outdoor atmosphere. Crane. The construction site hired a crane to lift the heavy steel beams. Critics. the company's new product received mixed reviews from critics. Crop. The crop yield this year is expected to increase due to favorable weather conditions. Data. The company relies on accurate data to make informed business decisions. Declaration. The company issued a declaration of intent to expand its operations. Defeat. Our company aims to defeat the competition by offering better services. Defect. The product was recalled due to a defect in its design. Delayed. The project was delayed due to unforeseen circumstances. Delight. The new product launch was a delight to the customers. Delighted. We are delighted to announce the launch of our new product. Demonstration. The sales team organized a product demonstration to showcase the new features. Departed. The departed flight has been rescheduled for tomorrow. Departments. The company has several human resources departments to manage employee relations. Departure. The departure of the flight is scheduled for 3 p.m. Depict. The report aims to depict the current market trends accurately. Deserving. Employees are deserving of recognition for their hard work. Diligent. The diligent worker completed the project ahead of schedule. Dirt. The company managed to buy the property dirt cheap during the recession. Discretion. Employees are expected to use discretion when handling confidential information. Batch. The company will dispatch goods to customers within 24 hours. Displayed. The new products were displayed prominently at the front of the store. Distance. The company is considering the distance between its branches for better logistics. Distant. The company is looking for a distant location to set up a new office. Distributed. The company distributed the new policy documents to all employees. Documents. Please submit the required documents by the end of the week. Doubled. The company's profits doubled last quarter due to increased demand. Downstairs. The meeting room is located downstairs next to the cafeteria. Drew. The advertisement drew attention from many potential customers. Drip. The company decided to drip information about the new product to build anticipation. Drunken. The company has a strict policy against drunken behavior at work events. Dull. The presentation was so dull that many employees lost focus. Dwelling. The company is looking for a new dwelling place for its employees. Ecosystem. The company is investing in a digital ecosystem to enhance customer experience. Employees. The company values its employees and offers various benefits. Encouragement. The manager provided encouragement to the team to meet their sales targets. Endanger. The factory's emissions can endanger the environment. Endless. The company faces endless challenges in the competitive market. Engaged. The manager is engaged in a meeting with the clients. Engraved. The engraved invitation was sent to all the guests for the formal event. Enjoyable. The conference was an enjoyable experience for all attendees. Enrollment. The new enrollment for the training program starts next week. Equally. In the meeting, it was emphasized that all team members should be treated equally. Equipped. The conference room is equipped with the latest technology for presentations. Error. The report was delayed due to a human error in data entry. Eternal. The company's eternal commitment to quality has earned it a loyal customer base. Ethic. The company promotes strong business ethics among its employees. Examined. The auditor examined the financial records for any discrepancies. Examining. The team is examining the data to improve the marketing strategy. Exceeded. The company's revenue exceeded expectations this quarter. Exceedingly. The project was exceedingly challenging, requiring additional resources. Excel. Employees who excel at teamwork are highly valued in our company. Excuses. The manager was tired of hearing excuses for missed deadlines. Exempt. Employees with over 10 years of service are exempt from the new training program. Expenses. The company needs to reduce its operating expenses to improve profitability. Extend. We need to extend the deadline for the project submission. Extent. The project was successful to a large extent due to the team's dedication. Extinct. The company is committed to protecting species that are at risk of becoming extinct. Faithful. The report provided a faithful representation of the company's financial status. Famous. The company is famous for its innovative products. Fashioned. The new marketing strategy was fashioned after successful campaigns from last year. Fences. The company decided to build fences around the construction site for safety. Ferry. Employees can take a ferry to reach the conference center across the bay. Finger. Please raise a finger if you have any questions during the meeting. Firmly. The manager firmly believes that the new strategy will increase sales. Fitting. The new policy is fitting for our company's sustainable goals. Flash. The presentation was saved on a flash drive for easy access. Foam. The company uses foam insulation to improve energy efficiency in buildings. Fold. Please fold the documents before placing them in the envelope. Fourth. The manager asked the team to bring forth new ideas for the project. Fortunate. The company was fortunate to secure the contract before the deadline. Founder. The founder of the company will give a presentation next week. Frequently. Customers frequently ask about our return policy. Fringe. The company offers fringe benefits such as health insurance and retirement plans. Frost. The frost warning was issued to prevent damage to the crops. Frozen. The company's frozen assets were finally released after the investigation. Fuel. The company is investing in new technologies to improve fuel efficiency in their vehicles. Fulfillment. The company specializes in order fulfillment to ensure timely delivery. Gain. The company aims to gain support from local businesses. Gained. The company gained valuable experience from the project. Gap. The company conducted a gap analysis to identify areas for improvement. Garment. The garment factory produces clothing for various brands. Gathered. The team gathered all the necessary data for the project. Gathering. The annual business gathering will be held in the main conference hall. Gaze. During the presentation, the audience had a focused gaze at the speaker. Gender. The company is committed to promoting gender equality in the workplace. Generous. The company made a generous offer to the new employee, including a high salary and benefits. Gifted. The company hired a gifted employee to lead the new project. Goods. The company offers a wide range of goods and services to its customers. Govern. The government needs to govern a country effectively to ensure stability. Governor. The governor of the department ensures all projects are completed on time. Grants. The company offers grants for innovative projects. Gratitude. The manager expressed gratitude for the team's hard work on the project. Greasy. The restaurant received complaints about their greasy food, which affected their reputation. Grinding. The grinding process of improving our sales strategy has taken longer than expected. Guide. Please refer to the user guide for instructions on how to operate the new software. Guilt. The employee felt guilt after missing the deadline for the project. Hammer. We need to hammer out the details of the contract before the meeting. Handed. The documents were handed out during the meeting. Handled. The manager handled the customer complaint efficiently. Hang. We need to hang the new company logo in the lobby by tomorrow. Highly. The new software is highly recommended for improving productivity. Hired. The company hired new employees to improve productivity. Honest. We value honest feedback from our clients to improve our services. Horrible. The presentation was a horrible experience for everyone involved. Household. The company's new product targets environmentally conscious households. Humid. The humid climate in the region affects the storage conditions of our products. Ignore. The manager decided to ignore the complaint due to lack of evidence. Illness. The company provides support for employees dealing with chronic illness. Immediately. Please respond to the client's email immediately to ensure customer satisfaction. Impair. Excessive noise can impair productivity in the workplace. Importance. The importance of teamwork is emphasized in our company. Inappropriate. The manager was reprimanded for his inappropriate comments during the meeting. Inclined. She is inclined to accept the job offer after the interview. Inconvenient. The meeting was scheduled at an inconvenient time for most employees. Individually. Each report was individually reviewed by the manager. Infinite. The company offers infinite possibilities for career advancement. Ingredients. The main ingredients for the new product must be sourced sustainably. Inquiry. Please respond to the customer inquiry as soon as possible. Insignificant. The changes made to the report had an insignificant impact on the overall results. Instruments. The company uses various financial instruments to manage risk. Intact. The contract must remain intact to ensure all terms are honored. Interests. The company is looking to expand its financial interests in Asia. Internationally. Our company is internationally recognized for its innovative products. Invested. The company invested time and resources in developing new software. Invitation. We received an invitation to the annual shareholders meeting. Issues. The team met to discuss the issues affecting the project's timeline. Ivory. The office decor features elegant ivory color furniture that enhances the professional atmosphere. Joint. The companies formed a joint venture to expand their market reach. Judges. The panel of judges evaluated the candidates' presentations during the conference. Judgment. The manager's judgment was crucial in deciding the project's direction. Justice. The company seeks justice for the unfair treatment of its employees. Lanes. The city plans to add more lanes to reduce traffic congestion. Lean. The manager advised the team to lean on each other during the busy season. Leaning. The manager was leaning against the desk while discussing the quarterly results. Limit. The company has set a spending limit for the project. Lit. The office was lit by energy-efficient LED lights. Lizard. The company mascot is a lizard, symbolizing adaptability and resilience. Loading. The IT team is responsible for loading the new software onto all company computers. Luggage. Please ensure your luggage is tagged correctly before checking in at the airport. Magnificent. The boardroom offers a magnificent view of the city skyline, impressing all visiting clients. Tain. The company needs to maintain its equipment regularly to ensure efficiency. Market. The company is expanding into international markets to increase its revenue. Marks. The manager reviews the marks given by the clients to improve service quality. Maturity. The bond will reach maturity in 5 years. Meanwhile, the sales team is working on the new campaign. Meanwhile, the marketing team is preparing the launch event. Measure. The company decided to take measures to improve customer satisfaction. Medium. The company decided to produce a medium-sized batch of products to test the market. Melt. The ice will melt away quickly in the sun. Mine. The company invested heavily in a new coal mine to increase production. Minimize. To improve profitability, the company aims to minimize costs by streamlining operations. Minimum. The minimum requirement for this position is a bachelor's degree. Miserable. The employees complained about the miserable working conditions in the factory. Moist. The packaging is designed to keep the contents moist during shipping. Monitor. The manager needs to monitor the team's performance closely to ensure targets are met. Motivation. The company offers bonuses as motivation for employees to achieve their targets. Mount. The company plans to mount a new marketing campaign next quarter. Mute. Please press the mute button during the conference call. Naturally. The team naturally adapted to the new project requirements. Neighborhood. The company plans to open a new store in a quiet neighborhood. Neighbors. Our company is collaborating with our neighbors to improve the local business environment. Nest. The company has built a substantial nest egg for future investments. Neutral. The company maintained a neutral stance during the negotiations. Newborn. The hospital has a special ward for newborns to ensure they receive the best care. Nonsense. The proposal was full of nonsense and did not address any of our concerns. Notable. The company received a notable award for its innovative products. Nursing. The hospital is hiring more nursing staff to improve patient care. Object. The warehouse stores various objects, including furniture and electronics. Observe. We need to observe trends in customer behavior to improve our services. Occupy. The new manager will occupy the office on the top floor. Oneself. In a meeting, it's important to be oneself to express genuine ideas. Operation. The operation of the new software system will begin next week. Outweigh. The benefits of the new policy outweigh the costs. Overrun. The project costs overran the initial budget by 20%. Owe. The company owes a significant amount of money to its suppliers. Owing. The meeting was postponed owing to the CEO's sudden illness. Pace. The team completed the project at a steady pace to meet the deadline. Partial. The company made a partial payment on the invoice to manage cash flow. Participants. The meeting will include all participants in the project. Participate. Employees are encouraged to participate in the training sessions. Partition. The office was redesigned with glass partitions to create private workspaces. Persuade. The manager tried to persuade the team to adopt the new strategy. Pertaining. Please review the documents pertaining to the new project proposal. Petrol. The company is concerned about rising petrol prices affecting transportation costs. Pitcher. Please refill the water pitcher for the meeting room. Plain. The report was written in plain language to ensure everyone could understand it. Plunge. The company's stock took a plunge after the disappointing earnings report. Poll. The company conducted a public opinion poll to understand customer preferences. Porter. The hotel provides a luggage porter to assist guests with their bags. Positively. The new marketing strategy is expected to positively impact sales figures. Possibility. There is a strong possibility of a merger between the two companies. Pottery. The pottery class will help you improve your creative skills. Precious. We must use our precious time wisely to meet the project deadline. Prejudice. The company aims to reduce prejudice against minority groups in the workplace. Prepares. The manager prepares a report for the monthly meeting. Presence. Your presence at the meeting is essential for decision-making. Preservation. The preservation of company data is essential for maintaining customer trust. Preserve. We must preserve the environment to ensure a sustainable future. Principles. The company's success is built on strong ethical principles. Prize. Employees who exceed their targets will win a prize. Proceeded. The project proceeded as planned despite the initial setbacks. Proceed. The net proceeds from the sale will be donated to charity. Procession. The CEO led the procession of executives into the conference room. Proclaim. The company will proclaim its new policy at the annual meeting. Produces. The factory produces high-quality electronics. Products. The company will launch new products next month. Profit. The company's profits increased significantly last quarter. Prolonged. The project faced delays due to prolonged negotiations. Promoted. She was promoted to manager after her excellent performance. Proof. The company requires proof of purchase for all warranty claims. Prosperous. The company is thriving in a prosperous economy. Protection. The company has implemented strict data protection measures to safeguard customer information. Proud. The manager was proud of the team's performance in the project. Proved. The data proved that our marketing strategy was effective. Publishes. The company publishes an annual report to update its stakeholders. Purchased. The purchased items will be delivered tomorrow. Rare. It is a rare opportunity to work with such an experienced team. Rated. The new software was highly rated by the IT department for its efficiency. Readiness. The team demonstrated their readiness for the project by completing all necessary preparations. Recall. The company decided to recall the defective products from the market. Recognize. We need to recognize the importance of teamwork in our projects. Refreshments. The meeting will include light refreshments for all attendees. Rejected. The rejected application was sent back for further review. Religious. The company respects the religious beliefs of all its employees. Remainder. The remainder of the budget will be allocated to marketing. Remarks. The manager made some remarks about the new project during the meeting. Reminded. The manager reminded the team of the deadline for the project. Remove. Please remove the outdated files from the server. Renowned. The company is renowned for its innovative technology. Repairs. The technician will make repairs to the equipment tomorrow. Requested. The manager reviewed the requested information before making a decision. Quests. The manager reviewed all the requests for additional resources. Reserved. Please ensure that the reserved seat is available for the client. Resident. The resident manager oversees the daily operations of the building. Resident. The company conducted a survey to understand the needs of local residents. Resist. The company had to resist the pressure to lower prices to maintain its brand value. Rewarded. Employees who meet their sales targets are rewarded with bonuses. Richest. The richest company in the industry reported record profits this quarter. Riverside. The company organized a picnic at the Riverside Park for team building. Robber. The bank was targeted by a notorious robber last night. Rod. The company installed a lightning rod on the building to protect it from electrical storms. A P. Please RSVP by Friday for the company dinner. Sacrifice. To meet the project deadline, the team had to make a sacrifice by working overtime. Safely. The company ensures that all machinery is operated safely to prevent accidents. Salesman. The company is looking to hire a new salesman to boost their product sales. Satisfied. Our satisfied customers often recommend our services to others. Scarcity. The scarcity of resources has driven up prices in the market. Scatter. The manager decided to scatter information about the new policy to all employees. Scope. The project manager outlined the scope of work for the team. Seam. The seam of the garment needs to be reinforced for better durability. Seasoned. The company hired a seasoned professional to lead the new project. Select. Please select a candidate for the job position. Sells. The company sells high-quality electronics worldwide. Separates. The manager separates the tasks into different categories for better efficiency. Separation. The company offered a separation package to the employees affected by the downsizing. Severe. The company faced severe penalties for violating safety regulations. Sheet. Please review the balance sheet before the meeting. Shovel. The construction workers used a shovel to clear the debris from the site. Shred. Please shred all confidential documents before leaving the office. Shuttle. The company provides a shuttle bus service for employees to commute to work. Sincerely. We sincerely appreciate your business and look forward to serving you again. Slice. We ordered a slice of pizza for the meeting. Slope. The slope of the hill made it difficult for trucks to deliver supplies. Smiled. The manager smiled at the team after the successful presentation. Soak. The company needs to soak up the excess inventory before the new shipment arrives. Sole. The manager has the sole responsibility for the project's success. Sources. The report includes various sources of information to support its findings. Souvenir. The company gave each client a souvenir to commemorate the successful project completion. Sovereignty. The company respects the sovereignty of each nation in which it operates. Span. The project is expected to span over a period of 6 months. Sprinkle. The chef decided to sprinkle some herbs over the dish before serving. Stable. The company aims to create a stable environment for its employees. Stall. The new products are displayed at the stall during the trade fair. Statements. The company released its financial statements for the last quarter. Statue. The company unveiled a statue of its founder in the lobby. Stays. The manager stays in touch with clients to ensure satisfaction. Steadily. The company's profits have increased steadily over the past year. Stick. We need to stick to the budget for this project. Strain. The project is under strain due to tight deadlines. Strapped. The company is financially strapped and needs to cut costs. Stream. The company is exploring new revenue streams to increase profitability. Stressful. The deadline made the project very stressful for the team. Strip. The technician had to strip the wires before installing the new system. Stuck. The project is stuck due to budget constraints. Submission. The submission of the report is due by Friday. Suddenly, the demand for our product suddenly increased last quarter. Suffer. The company suffered a significant loss due to the market downturn. Supervise. the manager will supervise the team to ensure the project is completed on time. Supplies. The company ordered new office supplies for the upcoming project. We surely appreciate your prompt response to our inquiry. Swear. The manager had to swear an oath of confidentiality before accessing the sensitive documents. Sweat. The team put in a lot of sweat to meet the project deadline. Tables. The financial report includes several tables that summarize the quarterly earnings. Tails. The company analyzed the tails of the quarterly report to understand the financial results. Talent. Our company focuses on talent management to ensure we have the best employees. Talented. Our company is known for having a talented team of engineers. Teaches. The manager teaches a course on effective communication. Teamwork. Effective teamwork is essential for the success of any project. Temporary. The company hired a temporary employee to cover the maternity leave. Tension. The project is currently under tension due to tight deadlines. Terminal. The new airport terminal will open next month to accommodate more international flights. Territory. The company is expanding its sales territory to include more regions in Asia. Thanked. The manager thanked the team for their hard work on the project. Thankful. We are thankful for your continued support of our company. Ties. The company is looking to strengthen its business ties with international partners. Tile. The contractor recommended using ceramic tiles for the office lobby to enhance its appearance. Tossed. The proposal was tossed aside during the meeting. Totally. I totally agree with the proposed changes to the project timeline. Treasurer. The company treasurer presented the financial report at the board meeting. Treat. The company decided to treat its employees to a team-building retreat. Triumph. The team celebrated a great triumph after securing the contract. Ultimate. The ultimate goal of the project is to increase market share by 20%. Cover. The audit helped uncover financial discrepancies in the report. Unite. We need to unite our efforts to complete the project on time. Stable. The unstable market has caused many investors to reconsider their strategies. Unveiled. The company unveiled a new product at the annual conference. Updated. The updated report will be sent to all team members by the end of the day. Upside. The project has significant upside potential that could lead to increased profits. Urge. The manager urged the team to complete the project by the deadline. Most. It is of utmost importance that we meet the project deadline. Valuable. The company considers its employees to be its most valuable asset. Venture. The company decided to enter a joint venture to expand its market reach. Verified. The financial report was verified by an independent auditor. Victim. The company had to compensate the victim of the data breach. Visa. You need a visa to attend the business conference in Germany. Vision. The company's vision is to become a leader in sustainable energy solutions. Visitors. The Visitors Center provides information about the local attractions. Void. The agreement was declared void due to a lack of signatures. Vol. The company published a new vol of their annual report. Votes. The committee will review the cast votes to determine the winner. Waited. The team waited for the client's approval before proceeding with the project. Warehouse. The company is investing in warehouse management to improve efficiency. Warn. The manager will warn employees about the upcoming changes in the policy. Warning. The manager issued a warning to the team about meeting deadlines. Warns. The manager warns the team about the upcoming deadline. Waste. Reducing waste in production can significantly cut costs. Wheels. The company decided to put the wheels in motion for the new project. Wholly. The company is wholly owned by its parent corporation. Wildlife. The company supports wildlife conservation efforts to protect endangered species. Wines. The company specializes in importing fine wines from France. Witnesses. The lawyer called several witnesses to testify in the fraud case. Workplace. The company is committed to creating a positive workplace environment. Worthy. The project is worthy of our investment. Writes. She writes a report every month for the management team.